Hi, this is Rozani. I have a work in progress, and it's made with one of these Papier Mâché mini pumpkin blanks that comes from my pumpkin project kit. I'm so glad that I finally put these kits together because I can just grab whatever I need one at a time and work on my project. The dominating color here is orange, and that comes from the paper napkins. And the amazing thing is that you can't even see the white. It just all blends in so nicely once it's applied, so keep watching. If you don't have liquid starch, you could even use Mod Podge. I'll show you on this different pumpkin. I dampened it with liquid starch and then added the napkin pieces. These starter blanks really save on production time. And it's so easy to apply the napkin pieces. So this is how it works on my Papier Mâché mini pumpkins made from liquid starch and paper napkins. Once it's dry, you can paint it however you like. Here I've extended the stem and added a little curlicue as well as leaves. I decided to take it a step further and added a little face. And you can learn more about making faces from the link in my description. This is a great starter project for beginners, but you could take it even further. You may want to create these in batches. Or if you like, you can buy my individual kits, and here's the information. One mini pumpkin will get you started, as well as the paper napkins and the instruction guide. I have a link in the description. I'm selling this for $25, which includes shipping here in the United States. So I've decided to offer these through the link in my description instead of my Etsy shop because it's more cost-effective for me and my viewers. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the kits or about possibly putting some kits together of your own for your mini pumpkins or other papier-mâché pieces. Organizing things into kits can come in very handy for your projects. Have you ever made a kit? Let me know in the comments. And remember to keep on creating. I want to thank you so much for being here. And I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. Please visit my playlist to learn more. And I hope to see you the next time. Bye for now.